Hey everybody, in this video we are going to be doing example 8, changing base to evaluate a logarithmic expression using natural log. And this is in section 3, properties of logarithms in the unit on exponential and logarithmic functions. We just did this using common log. This time we're going to use natural log. So let's get into it. Here we have the same examples we did in example 7 video. We have log base 5 of 140. So to use natural log, which is honestly probably more convenient most of the time because most calculators have the natural log button ln quite readily available. You'll do the ln of 140 over the ln of 5. And again, this is based on the formula you should have written down. That was at the top of the screen at the beginning of this video as well as at the beginning of the last video. Then when we put it in the calculator, we'll get an approximation. We'll see that in a second. And then here, same idea, you'd set it up ln of 2506 over the natural log, or ln of 7. So let's see here, ln of, so what answer should we be getting? We should be getting the exact same answer we got for example 7 if we're doing it correctly. So we're going to do 140 ln divided by 5 ln. Again, your calculator, you might hit ln first. ln might be on the same button as e. You might have to hit shift first. 3.07, and that is what we got before. And then we could also, while we're here, 2506 ln divided by 7 ln. And we should get the same answer as we got before, 4.02. Yep. So those are approximations of our answers. So that's how you punch those in the calculator. But you could leave your answer more or less as what I have here, right? Those are exact. This is also exact. But you could also write the decimal. Always make sure you round it to the correct location. And that is that. Hopefully you are able to get that in your calculator. If so, give a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. If you have any questions about help with the calculator, comments, concerns, requests, or feedback, leave me a comment. Otherwise, check the description box or the playlist on your end screen right now for more videos on this topic to see if there's something else that could help you out. All right, bye for now. Adios.